Today we're going to work on applications of systems of equations. So in order to write the equations for a system of equations, we first have to define the unknown values and assign them variables. Then we need to create the same number of equations as there are unknown values. So if you have 2 unknown values that you're looking for, you're going to create 2 equations and 3 and so forth. And then we're going to solve using one of our systems to solving systems of equations. In Lewis Carroll's Through the Looking Glass, Tweedledum says the sum of your weight and twice mine is 361 pounds, while Tweedledee replies the sum of your weight and twice mine is 362 pounds. We need to find both their weights. So let's define our variables. X is Tweedledum. Y is Tweedledee. So we've now defined our variables. Let's look at the information we know. It says the sum, which is addition, of your weight. So if Tweedledum is saying this, your would be Tweedledee, and twice mine, so 2 times Tweedledum, should be 361 pounds. And then Tweedledee is saying the sum of your weight and twice mine, so now Tweedledee is talking, your would be Tweedledum, and he says twice mine, which would be Tweedledee, equals 362. So I wrote these so that the variables line up. So now we need to solve the system of equations. So we can use substitution or elimination, or we could graph if we wanted to get graphing paper to solve this. So I'm going to use elimination. I'm going to multiply the first equation by 2 and write it right below. So 2y plus 4x equals 722. And then I'm going to subtract in order to get rid of y. And then we get negative 3x equals negative 360. Divide by the negative 3. X is 120. And once I have x, I'm going to substitute that back into the second equation. 2y plus 120 equals 362 minus the 120. 2y equals 242 divided by 2. Y is 121. So Tweedledum weighs 120 pounds, and Tweedledee weighs 121 pounds.